What's the too harder if we have to go then?
Definitely, we're so fast. Oh, what? God, is not fast enough? We have to put the high-speed train to damage the train.
Yes, the train was freed.
Yes, we're finally the train of space. Yay! Yeah.
Police? I hope what hell is this? Piggy Kingdom Steaks is from the Piggy Island Kingdom Steaks? Who half of a manager is this? I don't need it, but through it was the police. The parkman. 911, what's your mystery? So, I'm from in the forest. I keep survive this forest at that night. This nightmare hates us. We were going to be a dynasty. Who said you asked to mention this? New it is new, but the forest is so nice. No, miss dear. Do you notice the police department how what you stayed of the steward? How what do you stand? Just stewardess. Doing crazy. How what the hell are you doing here? Yes. I'll this a bird. I'll this is. Hey, let me try my foot stamps. No. Let me try this one. 911, you have me in this is calls. How what do you do in this? How just okay. You don't need it. I will tell me. I will come back soon. Okay. Call me Costa. Okay. Finally. Okay, goodbye, yourself. Okay, I will come back soon. Okay, I will get the friends, but never next time. I will start up the police car, so... This is Police Department of Piggy Island Kingdom Steaks. This is this is Rescue of the National 911. This is Police Chief. I will go and ask. I'll go and stab.